Hi friends, how are we doing again? All right, so we are reading book number 1 from the series Captain Awesome to the Rescue. Okay, so this is our new book that we started yesterday. Let's just take a minute to refresh our memories of what we read yesterday. My cat is crazy today. She's trying to jump out the window. Okay, anyways, so do you guys remember who our main character is? What's his name? It's Eugene, and his full name is Eugene McGillicuddy. McGillicuddy, what a fun name, okay? And we learned that he and his family have had to move because Dad got a new job, okay? At some computer. Get back inside the house. Yes, come on. Oh, Lordy. My cat tried to jump out the window. It's nice and breezy out there. Sorry about that. Okay, so his family had to move because Dad got a new job, and he is having to start all over at a brand new school. And he's not too excited about that. And his mom, do you remember what his mom lost? Or maybe didn't pack right, or can't remember where she packed? Can a superhero be a superhero without his cape? Woo! They can, but in his heart, he really needs his cape. So he is searching and searching for his cape. And the last thing he says is, uh-oh, I hear sounds coming from his greatest arch enemy. Do you remember what his enemy's name was? Queen Stinky Pants from Planet Baby. I wonder who that is. All right, well, let's find out. Okay. Chapter 2, The Attack of Queen Stinky Pants. It's a pretty evil looking villain, isn't it? Look, they even have little zigzag lines by the diaper representing, woo-wee, stinky. There's that movement in the illustrations. All right. Left foot, right foot, goo, fall down, get up. Left foot, right foot, fall down, gah, get up. I know those sounds anywhere. Eugene raced to his bedroom door and peeked down the hallway. And there she was, Queen Stinky Pants, he cried, my arch enemy from Planet Baby. Even from the safety of his secret hideout, Eugene could smell the terrible stink of her stinky stink powers. Blech. She followed me to Sunnyview. She found my secret hideout. She'll discover my secret identity, wailed Eugene. Then he realized the worst thing of all. She'll drool all over my toys. For the sake of all arms and legs of my action figures and the safety of the universe, I have to stop her. Eugene jumped onto his bed. He stuck out his chest and thrusted his fist into the sky, just like he had seen Super Dude do over the cover of Super Dude number 7 when he fought the Society of Evil Babysitters. Queen Stinky Pants must never, ever, ever, nope, never enter my secret base. So vows Captain Awesome. Heroes don't let villains do that, especially stinky supervillains, because you'll never get the smell out of your carpet. What's she trying to do? She would not, could not be allowed to enter the room. Captain Awesome doesn't like bad guys, and he also doesn't like cleaning his room. Eugene raced to his closet and grabbed his Captain Awesome suit. Quickly, he tried to pull it over his tennis shoes. That didn't work. He lost his balance. Ah! He yelled as he fell to the floor. Hey, there you are. Eugene's cape was under the bed. Standing up, hey, Boo Bear. Standing up, he flipped the cape over his head and couldn't see a thing. The cape covered his face. He bumped into his bed and fell to the floor again. So he's trying to put his pants on over his shoes. He's all wibbly wobbly. And in the time of doing that, he found his cape. Bonk! That was either the sound of his head hitting the floor or the sound of Queen Stinky Pants at his door. Eugene fixed his cape as the door flung open. A blast of evil, stinky, smelly baby came at him. Ugh! Eugene made that face you make when you see Brussels sprouts. Yucky! Ooh, do y'all remember what we call those? There's another sound word. Onomatopoeia. Queen Stinky Pants babbled in her secret, evil baby language. Bagu ba gidana. There you go, sorry. Eugene knew what every sound meant, though. After she stunk up his room, she was going to drool on everything he held most dear. He had to protect his army of action figures and his collection of Super Dude comic books. Gross! No drooling on my watch, villain! Eugene called out. Captain Awesome and his cape leaped into action. Laying over all this stuff. Ooh, and we will stop there. It's chapter 3 tomorrow. All right, so who did we find out was Queen Stinky Pants? His baby sister, right? Does anyone relate to him? Anybody have a young, I know a few of you have some baby siblings, right? Are they the villains? Are you the superhero? Do they drool? Do they stink up your room too? Touch all your things? All right, snack time's over. We will continue with chapter 3 tomorrow. Bye, my friends.